Now, before getting to the last package, we would like our chief guest, Reverend Sister Sneha, the Regional Superior, St. Teresa Region, to inspire us on the grand ceremony of Christmas and farewell.
Dear Reverend Father Anthony Raj, the parish priest, Reverend Father Deepak, my dear sisters, teachers, parents, well-wishers, and my beloved children. It gives me profound joy to be with you all on this beautiful day, celebrating Christmas and bidding farewell to the ISC batch 2021. In this toughest of tough times, I want to thank the Theresian family here at Bolpur, for you have done everything and more to tackle all challenges head-on. More resilient than ever before, reinvented and reconstructed for a changed world. The teachers had to be computer literate all on a sudden. The students had to access the technological gadgets for online classrooms. Everyone in the schools and classrooms had to reflect and address the current, very changeable education landscape in the country. There is a visible need for integrating digital resources for learning in the classroom and beyond in the coming years. Reimagining learning as a proactive, collaborative and intellectually nourishing practice, transforming teacher-centric into listener-centric learning to amplify engagement and self-motivation in students. To make this learning experience effective, we need to address the diverse, complex, unique and special social and psychological needs of students in the learning space. Consequently, the parents, teachers and students of St. Teresa School have come out victorious in these challenging times, making the school a better learning space. I am grateful towards dear Sister Amrita, the principal of our school, for every single effort that you always made in the very direction of improving the education standard of our school. And dear teachers, the backbone of a good school is not made from fancy classrooms and large campus. It is made from the excellent education imparted by the teachers like you. Thank you, dear teachers.
Always try to keep up to your advices.
So the first thing in the ending package is one of the most opposite ones to be present in our school's program list.
This is a music showcase, but it is a solo.
I call my friend Anamitra Chakraborty with his fellow companion, his mouth organ, to give us a taste of retro Indian music. music using the idiom, or you just say it what we experienced?
Both, my friend, both.
Okay, still, that is really pleasing and great music. Our musician friend is classic.
So, on to the next.
So, the upcoming performance are songs solely dedicated to our seniors.
And I can assure you that it's not going to be a gloomy performance as shown in the YouTube expectation versus reality videos. It may not meet your expectation, but it will lie in the neighborhood, as in the limits, you know.
So, let's not waste time, and I call the Teresian choir on stage to present our seniors their farewell songs.
कंधों को किताबों के बोझ ने झुकाया, रिश्वत लेना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। 99% लाओगे तो गाड़ी, वरना छड़ी। लिख लिख कर पढ़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छल्ला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा का पूरा बचपन ही जला डाला।
And if you want to get up, you can, but the beautiful gift wrap is still left.
Before moving on to the gift wrap, I would like our seniors to say something about their experiences in the school and their final feelings. Please take the stage.
Good afternoon, Reverend Fathers and Sisters and our beloved teachers. Today, on this auspicious day, I would like to share my journey as a child in St. Teresa School. The farewell day is the only day where you have got the chance to tell everything to anyone that you had in your heart for a very long time. Saying goodbye to your friend is one of the most difficult things that school never taught us. I come before you today with a lot of emotions, even though usually I'm not a very emotional girl. This is the last time I will be addressing you all in this fashion. Furthermore, I have a lot of memories until the end of our lives. Our school gave us precious memories that are truly priceless. The day when I first walked into the school premises is still fresh and new in my mind. Furthermore, at that life felt so difficult and hard. Little did we knew that those were the best days of our lives. Furthermore, we will miss those little moments of fun, whether it be playing in the playground or chatting in the corridors. Who can forget the highly awaited and anticipated school bell for the recess time? We would all rush out of the classrooms as if we were like animals in a cage who have been left free. Moreover, that feeling of intense excitement will be unmatchable.
On this very special day, let's all make promises to always stay in touch with our friends. Personally, I don't know what the future holds. In fact, this is a question that no one can answer. Hopefully, our school's experience and learning come to our rescue. Furthermore, I am sure the values of our school filled us with so much confidence that we can readily take on any challenge and work courageously in all aspects of our life. Do you think that I will end this speech without acknowledging our teachers? Well, this is simply impossible. Dear teachers, what we are today are because of you. Furthermore, the knowledge that you imparted is one of the most valuable things in our lives. Knowledge that you gave us will be our weapons for the life ahead. Respected teacher, you occupy the high status in the life of every student. Dear friends, students, and teachers, this is a day of celebration. Let us make this farewell the best farewell in the history of our school. Some tears to be shed, some smiles will be shared as we bid farewell to our school life. We will always relish those moments for the rest of our life. Lastly, we, the students of class 12, want to present a small token of gratitude towards our school. Thank you.
It makes me really sad that after all these beautiful experiences, they have to leave the school.
Yes, they will have to, but I guess they will always be with us in our heart and mind.
Now, before moving on to the presentation ceremony, I'd like to call on stage one of the luminaries whom we have kept in wait for such a long time.
She is our closest counselor and guide, our respected principal, Sister Amrita. She will be the final judge of our program.
I invite our principal to come up to the stage for giving her views on the event.
A warm and graceful afternoon to Reverend Father Anthony Raj, the parish priest, Reverend Sister Sneha, our regional superior, Reverend Father Deepak, Reverend Sister Sachita, our spiritual animator, my dear sisters, worthy teachers, parents, the non-teaching and clerical staff, well-wishers, and my beloved children. It's my privilege to thank and acknowledge the contribution of those who worked really hard to make this celebration a gala event. First of all, I extend my most sincere thanks to the Almighty God for making today's event a resounding success. On behalf of the entire Theresian family, I really express my heartfelt thanks to Reverend Sister Sneha, our regional superior, who spared time from her busiest schedule to grace the occasion. Today, we had an opportunity to officially welcome her and to hear her thoughts. Your unassuming nature and keen interest in the growth of St. Teresa School will surely be going to encourage us in the future, dear sister. Thank you very much for being with us today. I am immensely grateful to Reverend Father Anthony Raj, the parish priest, for his constant support, spiritual assistance, and ever-encouraging approach. Today, Your thoughts have enlightened our minds, and we thank you for gracing this celebration with your valuable presence, dear Reverend Father. Dear Reverend Father Deepak, thank you for your eminent presence with us today. Dear Reverend Sister Sajita, our spiritual animator, and all my dear sisters present here, thanks a million for your enormous cooperation I experience every day. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very proactive and dedicated staff of our institution who are well versed in their responsibilities. I am short of words for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. Here, I would like to mention a few names for their untiring efforts to make this event mesmerizing. Ms. Aditi for organizing the entire program along with Ms. Radhika and the students. Sir Debendu for setting up a natural and beautiful crib along with Munshi, Bablu, Sanjay, Michael and Bisharoop. Sir Parasar and Sir Rakib for the stage decoration, and Sir Zahir for the delicious meal that is awaiting us. The primary teachers for training the little ones, and the senior teachers for preparing the dancers and actors within a short period of time. Each and every teacher who contributed their bit for today's event, I thank you wholeheartedly, my beloved teachers. I would like to thank the people who worked behind the scene, the technical team, Sir Baishak, Sir Lazarus, the sound and videography personnel, and of course, all the clerical and non-teaching staff who minutely take care of every requirement for an event like this.
Now we will move on to one of the most awaited programs, the prize and memento distribution ceremony.
I would like Ms. Aditi to come up to the stage to present the students with their awards and mementos.
Dear Reverend Father Anthony, Reverend Father Deepak, beloved sisters, my dear colleagues, parents, dear students and well-wishers. It's my pleasure to welcome the students of ISC batch 2018-2020 who have made us proud in spite of the odds that were stacked against them. Whether the lockdown period and other unfortunate experiences, they beat everything and have come out victorious. Dear children, these months are dedicated to you. There have been people who have played you, helped you all along, yes, but in the end, there are you. So be proud of yourself. Today is a defining milestone in your lives. I wish you all the more accomplishments, more degrees, and more success. Obviously, I feel honored to invite on stage Reverend Father Anthony and Reverend Sister Sneha to give away the trophies of ISC batch 2020. May I call upon Reverend Sister Amrita, our principal, to accompany them. Now I call upon the stage the students of ISC batch 2020 at First Humanities stream. First position, Loknath Singh, 92.5%. Second position, Rajeshwari Rana, 92.25%. Third position, Vidisha Devasi, 90.5%, and Moitrey Hembrom, 90.5%. The students who scored above 90% marks, Sinjoy Ghosh and Arnav De. Sinjoy is absent. Commerce stream, Avirbha Mondal, 88.25%. Thank you, dear Reverend Father and Sister, for honoring our students. Please continue to remain on the stage for a while. We also wish to present a token of love and appreciation to our honorable guests. May I call upon Reverend Father Deepak and Reverend Sister Sajita to come on stage. I now request Reverend Sister Pauline, the Vice Principal of our school, to present the Christmas gifts to Reverend Sister Sneha, Reverend Father Anthony, Reverend Father Deepak, and Sister Sajita.
Worked hard and contributed their best, one way or the other, to make this event a successful one. The major portion of this event was shouldered by Ma'am Aditi and Sir Dibendu. We call them on the stage and accept a token of our appreciation. We also call upon the stage Sir Prasar for the decoration and yoga training, Ma'am Shushmita for training the dancers, Sir Zahir and Sir Rakib for all-round help. May I request Reverend Sister Sneha to hand them the Christmas gift on this auspicious day. Thank you.
To conclude the award ceremony, I would like to utter a few words to our dear students. Dear students, take all of your experiences and apply them to the rest of your life. Learn from your mistakes and make a difference for the betterment of this world in whatever journey you have chosen to embark on. We wish each of you all the very best. March towards a life sublime with hope and courage. Take care. Thank you.
The best thing is that this time the students who had never lifted a prize before will get to lift one, and that too from the hands of our respected principal and the dignitaries.
So, for the closing performance, the gift wrap.
Wait, did we miss something today? Skits, speeches, dances.
Wait. Are you sure we are over with dances like the boys one?
Right, the boys' dance is left. I heard there are some new faces in the group.
True. Well, there are new faces. So, without further ado, I call Philip and his team to give us a blockbuster performance.
Make a noise for the boys, people.
नमस्ते बहनों और भाइयों, बड़े ही कम शब्दों में आपको सुनाना चाहता हूँ उस साल का लोकप्रिय गीत ये।
स्वागत नहीं करोगे आप हमारा?
नहीं।
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना सनम
धड़क धड़क भंडारा छिड़क छिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली हर बजने दे धड़क धड़क ढोलता से धड़क धड़क भंडारा छिड़क छिड़क मल्हारी धड़क धड़क भड़क साली चटक मटक फटक साली दुश्मन की देखो जो फट लावली
That really shook me. The audience looks excited on getting to see that as the closing event.
So finally, we have to part ways now.
Yes, it has been a long morning.
Also, to mention to the audience, this was our last time hosting the Christmas ceremony. We both are from class 11.
We will be in the audience next year.
It has been great meeting you all.
Now, let's end with our signature statements. Begin.
Thank you everyone, the participants and the audience for making this program a perfect Christmas celebration. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year ahead.
We will meet you next year. Till then, thank you and goodbye.